There's also help coming from right here in the state line, led by a woman dedicated to help people heal from disaster.
Whether you volunteer for the Red Cross or any of the other partner agencies that are part of this, once you start to see what opportunities there are, you start to feel where you fit into a family you never knew you had.
Jacqueline Speciale is a 10-year volunteer with the American Red Cross. She will be representing the Northwest Illinois region by driving down to assist in relief efforts for those hit hardest by Tropical Storm Ida. Jackie left Rockford at around 8 a.m. this morning in a Red Cross emergency response vehicle, ready to provide food, resources, and emotional comfort once it arrives in Louisiana.
The Illinois region is one of the top regions in terms of sending folks out. We have a lot of individuals in the state and the surrounding areas that are trained very well in what we call mass care services, and that's really the initial part where we set up the shelters for individuals to be received. So we have a big team here, and so they get called a lot.
Jackie's first stop is in Barbonius. Illinois is to pick her partner, and then it's off to Louisiana. We wish her well on her journey.